This week, we're talking about moving from 2019 to 2020, accessing VPC resources from serverless code, and where to run your containers. I'm Jen Person, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. We're glad to be back in 2020, and we've got just the thing to start this year off. We've assembled some New Year's resolutions to guide you toward operating a faster, more efficient cloud infrastructure. Check out these tips to improve your skills and your architecture. And of course, if you're not ready to leave 2019 behind, we've also got a recap of some of the biggest announcements and stories from last year. From hybrid to databases to machine learning, a lot happened in cloud in 2019. So make sure to get caught up on stories you may have missed and let them inspire you for the new year. If you've ever wanted to access your private resources from your serverless app, look no further. Serverless VPC access lets you do exactly that, giving you an access point that lets your app engine and cloud functions connect to VMs and other resources with just a few lines of configuration. Support for Cloud Run is coming soon, so don't let your VPC silo your resources any longer. Did you know there's 3 easy ways to run your containers in Google Cloud? Alexis gives us the details on how you can run containers with your Google Kubernetes engine, Cloud Run, and even Compute Engine. Watch the video for more details and stay tuned for more episodes of Google Cloud Essentials. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.